Hey guys, let's walk through ML Lab experiment number 2, future extraction and future selection. In this video, the first question describes about import and load data. We import pandas and NumPy, sklearn, pre-processing, discriminant analysis, and load the wine quality data set. Note CSC2 given an error, we fix it later. Question number 2, drop the chlorides and free sulfur dioxide columns. We drop chlorides and free sulfur dioxide. Then the shape becomes 50, comma 10. 50 is a column size and 10 is the row size. In third question, IQR outlier reduction. Using IQR method, we can find Q1, Q3 and flags value outside 1.5 into IQR as outlier. 8 column had outliers that are fixed acidity has 3 outliers, volatile acidity has 1 outlier, residual sugar has 9 outliers, and total sulfur dioxide has 2 outliers, density has 3 outliers, pH has 1 outlier. These all are the 8 columns had outliers. So we drop the shape into 50:2. This is our fourth question. It says about identify the columns with the variance is less than 0.5. In that we found six columns such and 6 columns. So that are volatile acidity, citric acid, density, pH, sulfate, and alcohol. So we can drop them into 50,4 shape. Fifth question is all about that identify the input columns with less than 0.1. We check the correlation of the each feature with quality column. A feature with less than 0.1, citric acid and residual sugar, sulfates and alcohol are weak predictors. So we can assure that correlation is less than 0.1 with the column features are citric acid, residual sugars, sulfates and alcohol. This is our sixth question. In this, drop the low correlation columns. So drop those 4 columns. Shapes goes into 50 to 50,6. Our seventh question is about identify the pair of highly correlated input futures. We find a future pair with above 65%. So the result became citric acid, volatile acidity, density, fixed acidity, pH, fixed acidity. This causes multicollinearity. Our eighth question is about low variance. Low variance, same as question 4, just repeated to confirm. Same 6 columns are came for the result that are volatile acidity, citric acid, density, pH, sulfate, alcohol. These are the columns with variance is less than 0.5. Our ninth question is to split x and y. We separate input future as x 9 columns and target as quality to always check available columns before the splitting. Our 10th question about select the best k with the chi-square test. Select k best picks for top 5 features using the chi-square test. We shift x to be non-negative first. Top 5 fixed acidity, residual sugars, total sulfur dioxide, sulfates, alcohol. These are the columns for the chi-square test. Our 11th question is about mutual information score and highest mutual information feature. Mutual information measures a non-linear dependency with the target. pH scores highest 0.5. Surprisingly, also alcohol scores 0, meaning no detectable relationship. In 12th question, we have to describe future extraction using PCA. PCA from scratch, no sklearn, step standardized. Step number 1 is standardized. Step number 2 is covariance matrix. Step 3, eigen decomposition. Step 4, project on the top 2 component. So the result became 50,2. This is the PCA of first 2 component. In 13th question, LDA with science sklearn library using science library. LDA is a supervised, it maximized class separation, not just variance like PCA. We got 2 component shape. So 50,2 is used for better classification task. That first 14th question described to read an image called delta.bmp extract pixel mean feature. We load as delta BMP and compute mean value is approximately 101.47 using the PAL library. Then with OpenCV, we manually convert grayscale using RGB for the following mean method logic. This is all the 14th question done in this experiment. Thank you.